Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Cherokee versus the Lamborghini Urus. We will explore how these two sport utility vehicles, despite sharing a segment, cater to vastly different drivers and lifestyles. One emphasizes off-road prowess and affordability, while the other prioritizes blistering speed and opulent comfort. Let's dive into the details and see what sets them apart. When it comes to performance, these vehicles are in different leagues. The Cherokee provides reliable power for daily driving and light off-roading, with its V6 engine offering a good balance. The Urus, however, is a true performance machine, delivering supercar-level acceleration and top speeds. Its powerful V8 engine ensures an exhilarating driving experience on any road.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're packing lunch or storing leftovers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Inside, the differences are equally striking. The Cherokee focuses on practicality and durability, offering a comfortable and straightforward cabin. The Urus, conversely, surrounds occupants with exquisite leather, carbon fiber, and cutting-edge digital displays. While both seat 5, the Urus provides an unparalleled level of luxury and customization, reflecting its premium status. The price point is perhaps the most obvious differentiator. The Cherokee is an accessible and capable SUV, perfect for families or adventurers on a budget. The Urus, on the other hand, is a statement of extreme wealth and performance, commanding a price over $200,000. Each vehicle delivers immense value within its intended market segment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.